I know what you're thinking. Is this actually possible? Think you need a huge suitcase for a week-long trip? Think again. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to pack light and smart, so you can travel with just a carry-on and still have chic, Instagram-worthy outfits for every occasion. Plus, stick around until the end because I'll be sharing my ultimate packing checklist and ebook, free to download, that'll make your next trip stress-free and fashion-forward. Let's get packing. First things first, your suitcase matters. Choose a lightweight, expandable carry-on that meets most airlines' size restrictions. Look for 360-degree spinner wheels for easy movement, built-in compression straps to fit more, and a front compartment for quick access to essentials. Comment carry-on below in the comments, and I'll send you a link to my favorites. The secret to packing light is a capsule wardrobe, a small collection of versatile mix-and-match pieces that work together effortlessly. Here's what to pack for a full week. 3 tops, neutral saws, 1 statement piece, 2 bottoms, 1 pair of comfy pants, 1 skirt or shorts, 1 dress jumpsuit, doubles for day and night, 1 layering piece, a stylish blazer or cardigan, 2 pairs of shoes, 1 comfy sneaker, 1 chic sandal boot. Now that we've picked the perfect wardrobe, let's make it all fit. Rolling method. Roll clothes tightly instead of folding. This saves tons of space and keeps things wrinkle-free. Packing cubes. Organize by category. 1 for tops, 1 for bottoms, and 1 for undergarments and sleepwear. Compression bags. If you need extra room, vacuum seal bulkier items like sweaters or jackets. Bonus tip. Always pack your heaviest items, like shoes, at the bottom of your carry-on to keep it balanced. Beauty lovers, this one's for you. The key to packing light while still looking put together is downsizing. Use TSA-approved travel bottles for skincare and shampoo, multi-use makeup products, a tinted lip balm that doubles as blush, solid alternatives, solid perfume, shampoo bars, etc. To save space, link to a curated Amazon travel beauty essentials list. Accessories elevate any outfit without taking up much space. Pack 1 to 2 statement pieces, earrings, scarf, a compact crossbody bag, perfect for day and night, and a foldable tote bag for shopping and extra carry-on items. Tech essentials, travel adapter, power bank, wireless earbuds. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Jacket, doubles as a blanket. Sneakers, save room in your suitcase. Leggings and a comfy top, perfect for long flights. Bonus, always keep essentials, passport, wallet, charger, in an easy-to-reach personal bag. And that's it, a full week of outfits in just 1 carry-on. Who says you need a massive suitcase to travel in style? Want to make packing even easier? Grab my free pre-travel checklist and ultimate packing guide, linked in the description. Let me know in the comments. What's your #1 travel packing struggle? I'd love to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel and fashion hacks.